Hello. So I'm recording this again as a short video for those of you who want to order from the US. So this is how you do it. When you want to make an order and you want to do it from the US warehouse. So I'm going to open up my back office and we want to go into our shop. Okay, so as soon as we get into the back office, if this doesn't come up here, Australian products, US products, log out, log back in, and it should be there. So what I want to do is I have my LRP order. It's already gone this month for me, but let's say I wanted to go in and do a US order. I would click on the tab there for the US. And then you can see down here, this is scheduled LRP orders from US. Up here is scheduled LRP orders from Australia. So you can see I've got one there, and I've got to go down to here where it says create new LRP order. And here it says, okay, so this is shipping out of the US. And I pick the day that I want it to go, say it's the 17th. Now, let's say this option, because right now we're on the 14th. Okay, so let's say that you want to take advantage of the product of the month as well as getting whatever promo from the US. So right now we are in May 2018 and there is a fabulous 200 PV promo from the US. You might be watching this when this is not applicable. But let's say you wanted to get that 200 PV promo plus the US product of the month, which we know we have to ship before the 15th or on the 15th. So this is the first date they're giving me that I can choose, okay? So just choose that date. And then once you've done your order, if you go right through to the end and you just put ship now, like you process the whole order, then you of course will still get the product of the month because we're just picking the date for it to be shipped here. But as we all know, we can go in any time and ship our order straight away. So as long as it gets processed by, it's for us in Australia, really, it's the 16th early afternoon because we go on US time. Okay, so as long as let's say we pick that, and then at the end we just ship now, which is before the 15th, so we will get the product of the month. Hope that makes sense. Next, add products. Okay, so now I'm in US warehouse. So what you want to do is start adding things into your US. See, it says here, new US LRP template. So to get your cart started, you just go here, or you can go shop. Okay, we can do it this way, essential oils. And let's say you're needing bergamot is unavailable. Let's say that you're needing some, whatever it might be, clary sage. Add it into your cart. View totals and review cart. This is how I kind of do it. So then I've got my cart here and then I do the add search bar. So just say we want some shampoo and conditioner, then shampoo, add it in, Salon Essentials Protecting Shampoo. And you just keep going, keep adding things into your cart. So here you see the PV and here you see the US dollars. So in the US, there are some pretty cool things that we don't have. So I'll just very quickly show you what they are. So in terms of personal care, there's a few products in here which are really great. And then in terms of wellness, they have an awesome thing. So they have the kids stuff, which is great, the children's supplements. They also have the women's supplements, which are fantastic as well. And then they have the Lifelong Vitality, and you can choose to get the Lifelong Vitality pack. So I'll just, I'm going to add that in. Well, I'm going to click on it. Just going to show you this quickly. And let's say, I don't want to view the kit. I just want to add it to my cart. Why is it doing that? Hang on one second. Lifelong Vitality pack. I don't want to view the kit. This is weird. I just want to add it into the thing. Ah, that's the vegan one. Okay, for those of you who are vegan, that's the vegan one. Okay, well, I must just have to view the kit. Okay, yeah. Now, what I can do is I can add that into my cart, the Lifelong Vitality Pack, and then I get to choose any of these 3 additional products at a huge savings. So the Terrazyme are amazing, a digestive enzyme that I take every morning. And then if I have like a big meal, like you eat something that's just not digesting well in your system, this is incredible. And then the PV Assist, fantastic. We need to take probiotics. We need it for our gut. It is so important to the microbiome of our bodies. So the way that we feel is so deeply connected into our gut and all that good flora that we need to get in there. So these probiotics are amazing because they're double encapsulated, which means that they're really getting deep in the gut where we want them to go. So this is something like, it's a massive saving. So you can get this for $20, but all of them, like these ones for $20, you can get the kids ones. So anyway, you add them, add it in. So you add kit and then you add these ones as well. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that while we're there. So I'm going to go back to view totals. We'll get out of there. Let's see if that takes us back. Yeah, you've got the Terra Greens and all of that here as well. And so yes, you just keep building up your cart and that's it. And then what you would do once you have, let's say you want the 200 PV promo this month, wait until you've got the 200, then you press continue. And then you would process order now. And that of course means that you would get the product of the month as well. And that's it. And then what you want to do is, because you have processed your order through the US this month, you would ring up customer service, because you're going to have an Australian LRP as well that I am assuming you don't want to go this month, that you're doing the US order. So it's so simple. You just ring customer service, and in Australia, of course, and you just say, please, can you cancel my Australian LRP for this month because I've ordered through the US, and can you just put it onto next month? So all they do is cancel your Australian LRP this month, and they just restart it again the following month. So you don't lose any points, you don't lose any commissions for those of you who are being paid, and it's all good. And it's a very simple process. So I am here. Please message me on Facebook or email me or call me if you have any questions at all. And I'll just stop sharing there. And yeah, that's it. Hope you're really well. And it's good to order from the US every now and again, just to get some of those products that we don't have. One other thing I'll mention is that they have something called the Serenity Soft Gels, which is, for us, Serenity Lavender Peace. It's just called something different in Australia. And the Serenity Soft Gels at night, they're like a natural sleeping tablet, and they are absolutely incredible to help promote sleep. And sleep is so important, again, for our gut, for our health, for our levels of patience, for our ability to think clearly, you know, so much. So they're a wonderful thing to grab if you're on the US warehouse as well. All right. Hope that helps. Bye.